Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to collaborate with Instagram influencers in 2026 step by step. So whether you want to grow your brand, promote products, or reach new audiences faster, yeah, influencer collaborations can be extremely powerful when done correctly. Influencers already have trusted audiences in specific niches. Working with the right creator can help your content, brand, or products reach people much faster. Before contacting anyone, decide what your goal actually is. Maybe you want more followers, product sales, brand awareness, or engagement. Look for creators who match your niche and audience. For example, cooking brands should work with food creators, while tech pages should target tech influencers. Yeah, follower count isn't everything. Smaller creators with strong engagement can sometimes perform better than huge accounts with inactive audiences. After the collaboration, check metrics like reach, clicks, engagement, follower growth, and sales to measure results. One-time collaborations can work, but long-term partnerships often build more trust with audiences over time. Avoid working with creators who have fake engagement, unrelated audiences, or poor content quality. Yeah, choosing the wrong influencer can waste both time and money. One smart strategy is starting with micro-influencers first. They're usually more affordable and often have highly engaged communities. And that's basically the full guide to collaborating with Instagram influencers in 2026. Focus on authentic partnerships, strong audience matching, and long-term relationship building for the best results.